the beginning of the world, we just have a little population. Right now, the population is 7 billion.
Why is this important? This is important because it doesn't only hurt humans. It also hurts the environment and the living organisms that live in it. How is this linked to population 7 billion? This is linked to population 7 billion because of the huge population that has been growing these days. The environment is being hurt because us humans are destroying the animal habitats by putting factories in it and killing those animals for our needs.
Half of the children in the world don't have education. So what can we do to solve this problem? The solution to this problem is to make a mandatory education. This is going to help the children to learn how to take care about the environment and to try to stop the 6 mass extinction.